There you go.
My ears are ringing.
That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, folks, here we are on our second morning hog hunt and gator hunt. I got the ladies walking behind me. We're going to try to get shots on these two pigs here. See if we can get it done. Stay tuned. Let that hog get by that calf and kill that hog. Sweet! Put it on that shoulder. Bless her heart. She's trying hard. She's doing very well. She's just a little bit impatient. And then she gets just a little bit frustrated. Just that much. Y'all see that? That much, folks. She settled down a little bit. She finally got her pig shot. Fun? Yep. You think what you got figured out was happening?
Yep.
All right, good. Sweetheart? You getting you one of them?
I'm definitely getting one of these.
Good job. That was some good shooting. Thank you, girls. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, folks, here we are. Mr. Danny and his lovely wife after 2.5 days of hard hunting and their little precious daughter here. Well, sir, you want to explain the hunt to folks out there in the world, Kissimmee River hunting fish?
Oh man, it was a blast. We hunted hard for 3 days. She got her gator the first morning. Another couple was with us. They both shot their gators. We killed one with a bow. This
Sweet.
one, last day, he was out there, and we just had him get close enough to the bank where we could get a shot in him and then bring him into us. It was a blast.
Sweet shot too, man. Y'all said
yeah.
you got to take a hog with your bow, so that was pretty exciting.
Got a hog with my bow.
And your wife got to take one with the rifle. That was pretty cool. A lot of fun hunting here. I enjoyed y'all coming in here. And I'm pretty sure we'll be seeing y'all again.
It was a blast.
I appreciate it, my friend.